Hi everyone, in front of me I've got myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode and unfortunately the timer is not highlighted right here, but that's okay. All we have to do is to open the settings which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the self timer, so let's tap on this option, and as you can see we've got either 5, 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. We've just choose it, however I'm not really sure whether it is really set because it is not highlighted, so let's try. As you can see, it is not set. So the important thing we have to do is to actually turn it on just by tapping on this option. So as you can see right now, it will be highlighted. It is set to 10 seconds. So now we can go back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. Okay. So this is how it works. Let me maybe turn off the flashlight. Alright, or flash. Alright, so this is how to set the timer. Of course, you can turn it off just by entering the settings and tapping on this icon so it is not highlighted, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So to sum up, you can set the timer, however be aware that it will be applied only if this icon will be highlighted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.